We're going to the beach today. We're going to go check out our island over here. What is this island called again? Canuay Island over here near Babatngon Leyte. So let's go check it out, okay? So we're here at Babatngon, right?
Yes.
We're going to go and check it out. We found some guys who will take us on the boat here to Canuay Island. So we're going to take one of these little fishing boats here. They're going to take us over to the beach. 800 pesos there and back. So this should be pretty good. Seems promising. I'm excited. Look at that. We've got our water and our cold stuff. And we're good to go. You going to make it? Okay, I think you're going to make it. Why don't you go first? Ladies first. You got it, baby. I believe in you. There we go. Alright, Joy's on the boat. Now it's my turn. Let's see how this works out. Hey, baby.
See,
We're on the boat. I'm coming. Don't worry.
Careful.
Take that, huh? Film me. Look at me. Whoa. Alright. Off we go, just like that. It's a proper Leyte adventure today, isn't it, hon? Never been here before either, right?
Yeah.
It's my first time too. So let's go check out the island and see what we can do, okay? This island, right up over here, around the beach side. So the audio got a little distorted here for these couple of clips, but as we continued on our island adventure, we came nice and close to Canuay Island and saw the beauty of the beach that we had before us. It wasn't too long until we were able to step foot on the sand. We ended up stepping off on the beach, and to our surprise, nobody else was there, and it was a beautiful day with beautiful white sand. They made it. We've got our water for us too. We're getting our cottage now. So pretty. Really nice. We've got a little rental cubo for us, right, hon? We're by ourselves here today. This view. And the cat and the dog. You know? Okay. Wow, thank you. 500 pesos, perfect.
You didn't see that.
Yeah, just in case. Nothing's free, but that's all right. Hey, this is a perfect little place for us to have a little picnic, and we got plenty of water to wash your feet too. You know, if you want to wash your foot. And it is just a gorgeous day. There's the two of us. The caretaker is going to get us a coconut up top. It's a long ways up. He's got little indents in the tree, so I guess that makes it easier for him. Oh. Eat that. Okay.
Sa po mo lang kilala na.
Oh, thank you so much. Got the coconut. That's awesome. So good. Thank you. Sarap.
Masarap.
Well, overall, that's pretty much it for the day. It's a really nice day overall, and I think it's really beautiful. It's a beautiful little island. You know, I definitely recommend anybody who's looking for a more laid-back beach resort experience here in the Philippines should try this place out. Just north of Tacloban by about an hour, maybe less. And then the boat ride is about 15-20 minutes, if that, less than that even, maybe even more like 10 minutes. But super cool boat, and you know, we're coming up on the evening right now. So evening is beautiful, our boat is here. It's a beautiful evening, and it's been a really wonderful day here on the island. So, Honeyco, you ready to go home? Okay, we're ready to go home, and until next time, everybody, until next time.